The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a larger footprint at 164.4 millimeters in height compared to the Google Pixel 8a, which measures 152.1 millimeters. This means the A16 5G might feel bulkier in hand, but it also offers a larger display area, which some users might prefer for media consumption. In terms of weight, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G weighs 200 grams, while the Google Pixel 8a is lighter at 188 grams. This slight difference may contribute to a more comfortable experience when carrying the device for extended periods. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G features a 6.7 inches display, making it larger than the 6.1 inches display of the Google Pixel 8a. This increased size on the A16 5G enhances the viewing experience for videos and gaming, while the Pixel 8a still offers a compact form factor ideal for one-handed use. When it comes to the main camera, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G sports a triple lens setup with a 50 megapixel wide lens, a 5 megapixel ultrawide, and a 2 megapixel macro lens. In contrast, the Google Pixel 8a features a more advanced 64 megapixel wide lens and a 13 megapixel ultrawide lens. The higher resolution of the Pixel 8a can provide sharper images and better detail in photos, making it a strong contender for photography enthusiasts. Both devices offer similar internal memory options, with the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G available in 128 GB with 4 GB RAM or 256 GB with 8 GB RAM. The Google Pixel 8a also matches this with 128 GB and 256 GB, but it comes with 8 GB RAM across the board, which may enhance multitasking capabilities compared to the A16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, while the Google Pixel 8a offers a slightly higher resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. This means that the Pixel 8a may provide a crisper display, enhancing the overall viewing experience, especially in terms of text clarity and fine details. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is powered by an Exynos 1330 chipset, whereas the Google Pixel 8a utilizes the more powerful Google Tensor G3. The Tensor G3's architecture offers superior performance and efficiency, making the Pixel 8a potentially better for demanding applications and multitasking. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, which is larger than the 4492 mAh battery found in the Google Pixel 8a. This larger battery capacity in the A16 5G may provide longer usage times between charges, appealing to users who prioritize battery life. Both smartphones feature a 13 megapixel selfie camera, but the Google Pixel 8a offers an ultra-wide option with a f2.2 aperture, allowing for more versatile selfies that can capture a larger group of people or more background scenery compared to the standard selfie camera of the A16 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a glass front with a plastic back and frame, while the Google Pixel 8a boasts a more premium build with a Gorilla Glass front, aluminum frame, and plastic back. This construction may provide a more premium feel and better durability for the Pixel 8a. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G includes features like LED flash, panorama, HDR, and a 10x digital zoom, which are useful for everyday photography. However, the Google Pixel 8a excels with advanced features such as dual LED flash, pixel shift, auto HDR, and night sight, which significantly enhance low-light photography and overall image quality, making it a superior choice for photographers. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G offers a wide-angle selfie camera, while the Google Pixel 8a includes features like auto HDR, Magic Editor, and Best Take, which allow for more creative control and improved results in selfies. This makes the Pixel 8a a more appealing option for those who love to take self-portraits. Both devices run on Android 14, but the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G promises up to 6 major Android upgrades, while the Google Pixel 8a benefits from Google's commitment to 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring longer-term software support and security for users of the Pixel 8a. The Exynos 1330 chipset in the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is competent, but the Google Tensor G3 in the Pixel 8a is built for efficiency and performance, particularly in AI tasks and photography. This difference can greatly affect the user experience, particularly in demanding applications. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G features a Super AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, while the Google Pixel 8a has an OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The higher refresh rate on the Pixel 8a may provide smoother scrolling and better responsiveness, enhancing the overall user experience. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G has a maximum screen refresh rate of 90 Hz, while the Google Pixel 8a offers an always-on display feature. This can be particularly useful for quickly checking notifications without fully waking the device, adding a layer of convenience for Pixel 8a users. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is equipped with a Mali G68 MP2 GPU, while the Google Pixel 8a features the more advanced Immortalis G7 FIS MC10 GPU. This difference in graphics performance may result in better gaming and graphics rendering capabilities on the Pixel 8a. In terms of video recording, the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G supports 1080p at 30 FPS with gyro EIS, while the Google Pixel 8a can shoot in 4K at 30-60 FPS and 1080p at various frame rates, including 120 and 240 FPS. The Pixel 8a's advanced video capabilities make it a top choice for users interested in high-quality video content creation. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, while the Google Pixel 8a has an under-display optical fingerprint sensor. The under-display sensor may offer a more modern aesthetic and convenience for the Pixel 8a, appealing to users who prefer cutting-edge technology. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G includes features like Samsung Knox Vault and Android audio streaming for hearing aid, while the Google Pixel 8a boasts unique features like Audio Magic Eraser and Live Translate. These additional features in the Pixel 8a enhance its usability and appeal for users looking for smart functionalities. The Samsung Galaxy A16 5G is priced at $250, making it a budget-friendly option, while the Google Pixel 8a is significantly higher at $499. This price difference reflects the advanced features and capabilities of the Pixel 8a, appealing to users willing to invest more for superior performance and photography.